Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up TikTok's self-feeding interactive script. First of all, you have access to McTik Pro software. Go to the Interaction Account section. Here, you can add your own interactive scripts, such as Suggested Interaction Script, Follower Interaction Script, Friend Interaction Script. It's the same as when you use TikTok for Reel. There will be action configurations here. You can be set up according to your needs. Next, you can choose the account you want to raise, the TikTok account you want to raise. Next, you set up for yourself. First is about software configuration. The second one is about configuring interactive scripting, as the number of threads. Finally, you press the start button. And let's follow the operation mechanism of the TikTok Nick farming software automatically. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I put it below the description. See you in the next video.